Good morning. We just crossed that bridge over there and now we are on Awaji Island. Awaji is known for two things, onions and whirlpools, specifically Naruto Whirlpools. And this is the second longest suspension bridge in the world.
Awaji Island is located just past Kobe and it connects the main island of Japan to Shikoku, the smallest of the four main islands. It can be accessed by public transport with highway buses and local buses from Kobe connecting a lot of the popular areas, but it's also only a 1 hour drive from Osaka and you can drive around the whole island in a day. So that's what we're going to do.
So the plan for today is we're going to go try some of these famous onions.
Oh my god, everything here is onion themed.
We're going to go whirlpool hunting and I've got two other really unique places that I want to check out. And I've got a giveaway for you guys. But more on that later, we got to get going. We've just arrived at Honpuku Temple, or as it's now known, the Water Temple. In about 1989, the Shinryu decided that they wanted to kind of redo the main hall here and they enlisted the help of an architect called Ando Tadao. But he decided he was going to do things a little bit differently.
If you haven't heard of Tadao Ando, let me give you a little background because you've probably seen his work. He's an Osaka-born, self-taught architect and he's known for his unique and unconventional designs. A lot of his work will feature this trademark bare concrete look, but it's the way that he uses the surrounding environment, whether it's the light, nature, or the spiritual spaces, that fascinates me.
Steps are echoing.
I can't show you the sacred area inside, you'll have to come see that for yourself, but I can show you the outside and that it's circular.
It's like this side's traditional and this side's modern, and now they're both red. It's a very cool mix of traditional elements and modern ones, but you still really feel the spirituality of the place. If you're into architecture, it's a pretty cool place. Unmanned market. Oh, is that Awaji onion? For 100 yen? Got onions. It's just there. It's crazy that it's right next to the highway. I mean, like, it was here first, I guess.
ここは悲しい神社で、神様とその竜が一緒に住んでて、神様が竜にちょっとお使いを頼んで、竜がそのお使いに行ってる間に人間が神様の住所をどっか引っ越したらしい。で竜はそれを知らずに帰ってきて、その竜の神様が帰ってくることを信じてずっと待ってる。
ここに？
中堅八公みたいな話。
That is so sad. this is the shape of Awaji Island. That's so cool. There's a lot of people. Oh my god, why? Oh, that's a huge line.
This is the Awaji Island Onion Burger, and it's kind of famous apparently. This here is the star of the show. It's an Awaji onion cutlet, deep fried in breadcrumbs, so kind of like an onion katsu. These are the two most popular ones, a tomato-based onion beef burger and a creamy gratin burger. But they've met their match because I might be the pickiest burger eater on the planet.
Kay has volunteered as tribute to line up for the burgers, and I'm gonna go sus if we can find a place to sit and eat them. I love traveling to these like lesser known places in Japan. You just never know what you're gonna find. The only thing is, when you visit these kind of off the beaten path places, the amount of English and transport is limited. So things like having access to Google Maps and translation apps is more important than ever.
There's a lot of different ways you can get mobile data while you're traveling overseas, and if you've already got yours sorted, fantastic. But if you're still unsure of what you're going to do, let me suggest Airalo. Airalo is an eSIM company that offer data packages for Japan, but also 200 other locations. And they are the long-term sponsor of this channel and the sponsor of this video. And this time, Airalo is giving away $50 air money vouchers to 2 people watching right now. That's pretty much free data for your next international trip. Entering is super easy, just 3 steps. Number 1, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Number 2, like this video. And number 3 is to leave a comment down below answering the following question. What's one place in Japan that you haven't been to yet that you are most excited about visiting? And that's it. In 2 weeks' time, I'm going to randomly pick 2 winners, verify that they're subscribed, and let them know. So make sure your notifications for YouTube are turned on. Also, I'm never going to ask for money or your WhatsApp or anything like that. So if you get those kind of messages, that's not me. But regardless of the giveaway, if you would like to check out Airalo, you can use my discount code SUNNY to get $3 off when you sign up. Details will be through the QR code here, or you can find information in the description below. Good luck to everyone entering the giveaway, and thank you Airalo for making this possible. Now, where are those burgers?
This is the gratin burger.
チーズソーストッピングしてる。
Oh yeah. And this is the...
それが一番人気の。
And then we got a couple of onion rings. So what makes the Awaji onions famous and well known is how sweet they are. Apparently they're so sweet that you could even eat them raw. Let's find out just how sweet they are. Interesting. The onion is super juicy, but it doesn't have that much flavor.
チーズ。
It's very juicy, very creamy, very big. There's a whole ass onion in there.
出てきたね。
I like this one. I'll give this one a 7.5. I'll give that one a 6.
でドリンクがブルーベリーのカルピス、ブルピス。でそっちはクラフトコーク。
Tastes like ginger beer. Onions. It is very sweet, I'll give it that. But I think I like the spiciness of regular onions. I'm not shading the Awaji onion at all, but I like that kick.
Onion juice 何？
Look at this Christmas tree. Everything here is onion themed. Onions. This is an onion UFO catcher. If you catch one of the onions in there, you get a whole bag. For 500 yen, you get 5 shots. So this bridge here goes from Awaji Island south to Shikoku, which is one of the 4 main islands of Japan. And you've got 2 oceans merging here. You've got the Seto Inland Sea on this side, one huge body of water, and then you've got the Pacific Ocean on this side, an even huger body of water. And they're merging here on this like rather unconventional channel. Depth changes, lots of rock formations, that kind of stuff. But they have different tidal cycles. So what happens if one is at high tide and one is at low tide and they start merging? Hello. Okay, we have boarded a Whirlpool sightseeing ship at hopefully the perfect time to see the biggest whirlpools we can see today. So fingers crossed we can spot some.
Okay, let me give you a quick explanation of what we're actually looking for so you can try and spot them too. This place, called Naruto, is where we're boarding from. The current in this strait here is the fastest in Japan and some of the fastest in the world. And yes, it forms whirlpools. It's not going to look like this. We're approaching by boat, which obviously would not be possible if there was any danger to us. Just near the bridge, the water becomes quite erratic, so that's where we're heading to see if we can catch a whirlpool. There were 2 boat options to choose from, the Wonder Naruto and the Aqua Eddy. The Wonder Naruto is bigger and it accepts same-day reservations. The Aqua Eddy requires prior booking and it has a section where you can see the whirlpools from underwater. I saw other boats around the strait too, so there might be other places you can catch them from as well, but I'm not sure.
We're getting closer to the bridge now. The waves have started to form. The boat is moving a lot. Whoa, there's one right there. Whoa, and another one. Look at the waves. They're going in like every direction. That's so cool. There's one right here. Oh, there's one over there. Do you see it? Coming this way. Whoa, something's happening. Oh, look, there's a big one there. Oh my God. Holy shit. That's so cool. Look at the size of that whirlpool. They move so fast. It's pretty cool. Wow. They come and go so quickly. Oh, it's hard to catch them. It's like trying to catch Pokemon, trying to catch a whirlpool. So much is happening. Boat is rocking a lot under these waves. Just like calm, 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 and then all of a sudden it's like crazy. That was so cool. If you're gonna take the Aqua Eddy, I don't recommend down under the water. We couldn't really see anything. Maybe like on some days you can see the whirlpool under the water, we could not see it. If you can, go as high as possible. You get the best vantage point. It is cool when you're close to the water, you get that like intense feeling of how violent the water is moving. But I think the best vantage point to actually see the shape of the whirlpool is as high as you can on the 1st, 2nd floor, whatever is available. They move so fast. Also, it's really, really important what time you go. At the boat ticket counter here, they'll show you the wave peak times. The morning, best time to view, and the afternoon, best time to view. And over here as well, this is the boat times. And on the left of the times, you can see smiley faces. I would definitely recommend, if you can, going for the big smile over the regular smile. This is what the regular smile looks like. It was fine. It was still pretty cool because you could see the currents. But this one that we just went on was so good. We managed to see some really nice whirlpools. Baby whirlpools. So cute.
Akashi海峡を走るのちっちゃいな。Still.
いきます。Another thing Awaji Island is famous for is its seafood, specifically something called shirasu, which is like a young, fresh whitebait or like anchovies, which doesn't sound very appetizing, but it's delicious. And apparently there's a place here that does it on pizza. So we're heading there now. We weren't able to get in touch with them, so we're hoping that it's open. Fingers crossed. pretty cool idea. It's like a permanent food truck system and then all the seats are here along the beach. It's actually so nice.
うちらのピザは開いてんのかな。
Looks a bit sus. Most of the places are closed.
なんか情報は全然なかったよな。電話番号も書いてないから。
I think the Google Maps is like open, but it's for like this whole area is open, not like which specific food stall is open.
そうや。
But I really like it as a concept. Oh, it's open. This one, isn't it? Pizza shirasu. Oh wait, there's another one.
淡路のすべてが1枚のピッツァに海、山、肉の3種の具材がすべて乗ったまさに淡路の太陽。
That sounds cool. Well, let's try that. That sounds so good. Here it is.
Yeah.
Pizza!
This is the shirasu side. This is maybe the meat side. And I guess this is then the mountain side.
3つに分けます。そしてこれをさらに。
Oh, it's quite thin. That looks so good. The pizza's good, but I'm not used to having fish on pizza. You know what? I like it. Let's go mountain. That smells so good. Oh, pesto. So much flavor. It's like cheese and pesto, maybe mushrooms, maybe chicken, maybe mince. I'm not really sure. A lot going on. Not bad, not bad. Time for the meat. I think this is the meat one. Yeah, maybe this is the yama, because that had a lot of meat. Cabbage and prosciutto and broccoli.
これは間違いないね。
On pizza? I don't know how I feel about it.
順番つけるなら。
Okay, this is my least favorite. I'll give this one like a 6.5. And then the pesto one, maybe like a 7. And then actually, I'm a fan of the shirasu. I'll give it an 8. Yeah, that was my order. Next time I would just go the shirasu.
なるほど。
Yeah.
After the pizza, we also tried a Thai food place.
Okay, thank you. This is called Airalo Airmoney. And oh shit, somebody put too much in. And this is Thai tea.
乾杯。
This is the beef gapao. And this is a mini green curry.
I don't know, it just didn't really hit the spot for me. Maybe because I was expecting it to taste the way that Thai food tastes in Melbourne, Australia, which obviously it wouldn't in Japan. But we were gifted this incredible sunset to end the day.
That is epic. Epic sunset with flying fish. That's mental.
Anyway, thanks for joining us on our Awaji Island adventure. And if you haven't already, make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a $50 Air Money voucher and sign up for Airalo using my discount code SUNNY for $3 off. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
あ、これ、これ。危ない、危ない、危ない。危ない。